What's up guys, this is Michael and welcome to Naked Crypto. Here on Naked Crypto, I show you what coins to buy, when to buy, hold and sell. And today's video, I'm just going to do an update on Bitcoin and the rest of the altcoins. So stick around. So today is November 18, 2021 and our market sentiment analysis today is 54. Last week we do have extreme greed. Warren Buffett says, be fearful when others are greedy, be greedy when others are fearful. CoinGecko today, Bitcoin 2.3% down, 10% down for the past 7 days. Ethereum 11.6% down for the past 7 days. So today guys, not so great. Solana, I actually post Solana that we're going for a correction, same as Ethereum. Guys, check it out. Dogecoin, Shiba, not really great. Everything is not great today. Only crypto.com is doing great. 55.4% for the past 7 days. Crypto.com. Algorand, yeah, it's doing good today. The rest, red, mostly red today, guys. Elrond, 2.4% up today. And the Decentraland, the Decentraland is doing good today. 10.4% up and 43.1% up for the past 7 days. Clay, Sandbox, wow, right on. Engine Coin, Maker, Waves, Gala. Oh, Gala, 182% up for the past 7 days. And Wax, 83.3% up for the past 7 days. Right on. Good to know, guys. Top gainers of the day, we have Sandbox, Decentraland, Algorand, Gala, OM, Ecomi, Waves, Crypto.com, Engine Coin, Olympus, Maker. Top gainers of the week, we have Gala, Sandbox, Wax, CRO, Decentraland, Avax, and DCR. And top losers, Loopring, guys. Loopring could be a great buy. Phantom could be a great buy. Awiv, IOTX 24.4% down for the past 7 days. Kusama, Chainlink, Thorchain. Guys, this could be a good buying opportunity. And our crypto bubbles today, we have Gala, Sand, Wimix, Mana, CRO, Wax, and the rest is red. So guys, the question is, are we going for a crash or is just a correction? Let's find out. And before we go to the chart, if you can smash that like, that will be appreciated. It helps the algorithm. So Bitcoin, this is Bitcoin. On the daily chart, we have this wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. We are on the wave 4 right now. We might still see the price go down here at 54,000, which is the 50, or even here at 0.618, which is 50,000. Don't worry about, guys, we're just doing a healthy correction right now. It's just we are on the fourth wave, and after that we're going for the fifth wave. But of course, this is an ascending channel, just to be aware, guys. This is a bearish pattern, so after that we'll see a ABC correction. So guys, let's draw the elliottwave. So after that, we might see the ABC correction. So somewhere at $78,000, guys, for Bitcoin. And of course, after that, we might see a ABC correction. I might be wrong, but let's find out. But for now, we might see price to go down here at 50 or 0.618. So don't be alarmed that, I've seen people on posting on Facebook that, what's going on with the market today? They are panicking, guys. But it's just on the fourth wave, guys. So don't worry about it. It will be a great buying opportunity. Ethereum, we projected the price will go up. So guys, Ethereum, this is Ethereum. We projected price to go up. Our target will be the all-time high, 4,370. And we are here now. It actually surpassed my target. And Ethereum, I actually posted this one November 13th here on TradingView. You can follow my trades, Trading Like Magic. This is my old name, but I changed it to Naked Crypto because I found it too long. And now we're on the 8th wave, guys. Expect a pullback, and you might still see the price go down here at 3,863. Guys, this is just a presumption. So yeah, guys, so this is the power of elliottwave. We came from this ABC correction. We have now wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, And currently we're projecting the ABC correction. Something to be aware, guys, this ABC correction, of course, this is just a presumption, but right now we are on the A wave, so expect a pullback and go down. So don't worry about it. After this, we are looking now 5 waves to the upside, so don't worry about it, guys. This could be a great buying opportunity, just to let you know, guys. You can also join my group, guys, Naked Crypto. So I posted this one, Doge Elon. It's already popped on this triangle here. Some tweets about Shiba Inu. AMC Cheddars is now accepting Shiba Inu within 60 to 120 days. So crypto index, yes, I projected this one. I put it. Let's talk about crypto index. Solana. Okay, to the update of Solana, and there you go, guys. We are now on the A wave, and there you go, guys. So this is just a presumption here. Let's see. We might still go down here, guys. We might still go down. It's just a presumption. So after this, we will see a pullback and go down. Check this out, guys. Solana. I posted this one some Facebook groups. Solana, look at that. Target is 265. Look at that. It's reached 260. Close. 265. Close, guys. Close. It actually 265. See, 267 actually, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. Bullish flag, boom, 265, 267. And now we're projecting 3 waves to the downside. So don't be alarmed, guys. After this, we're now counting 5 waves to the upside. Boom. That's the power of elliottwave. You don't need indicators, guys. This is naked crypto, naked trading, no indicators. Look at that. So clean. Just Fibonacci, elliottwave, and some patterns, guys. Bullish flag, bullish flag. Guys, if you want me to make a free course, comment down below. Look at this, guys. Crypto index. We were here. ABC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ABC correction. And now we are projecting 5 waves to the upside. We were on this level. Where are we now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the power of elliottwave, guys. You don't need indicators. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ABC correction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're looking for ABC correction. Don't worry about, guys. Don't panic. After this, another 5 waves to the upside. And Bitcoin dominance, we're still projecting the price to go down. We're just doing a pullback here, but we are still projecting to go down. This is kopen handle, but the handle is too high though, but don't worry about it. And anyway, Bitcoin dominance is when the price drops, it's altcoin season, guys. But right now, it's creating a pennant or a flag here. So this is a bearish pattern. So let's see, guys. Total market cap, kopen handle. We are still projecting the price to go up. Doing a pullback right now, but we are still projecting the price to go up. Total market cap 2, excluding Bitcoin. Kopen handle, we're projecting the price to go up. And total market 3, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, we're still kopen handle, and we're still looking for the price to go up. It's just having a pullback, but we're expecting the price to go up. Guys, if there's cryptocurrency you want me to add, just comment down below. And yeah, this is all I got for today, guys. And if you find this video valuable, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I love you. Take care. Bye-bye.